Welcome to Convenience Talk. My name is Melanie, and today's topic is how to search for C-store owners using Iowa's UST database. So the first resource that I wanted to show you is this blog post on Convenience Talk. And if you navigate down the page, what you'll see is that there's a list that's been assembled, and it's ordered by state. And these are the UST databases that you can find out there. And so if we go to Iowa and click on this link, it will take you to this site. And I've already performed a search. And essentially, I just hit the search button, and you can see there are a lot of records that are available. And I did export some results, and the Excel sheet that I got was pretty simple, but that Excel sheet can help you narrow things down. And now I did a quick delve into what additional information you could find. So I basically pulled up this record. And if you go under here, site details would be the first page that would come up. This would be your default kind of view. And then there's also affiliates. So this will tell you who installed the tank, who the site contact is, and who the site owner is. That's it for Iowa. My name is Melanie. Thank you for watching this video.